Santa Claus headphone case. 10 minutes to crochet it. 4-ply cotton yarn, 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. Accessories as shown above. First, crochet the face. Start with a magic ring. Wrap around middle finger once. Insert hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Starting stitch completed. Remove from finger. Crochet 2 chain as starting stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop. 1 chain. Crochet another one. Next, crochet double crochet into the ring. Yarn over. Insert hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet completed. Beginners can place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Round 1. Crochet 14 double crochet in total, not counting the starting chain. Place a stitch marker in the last stitch as well. Tighten the ring. Join with first stitch using slip stitch. Insert hook. Yarn over and pull through. Pull through the loop on the right. Tighten. Slip stitch does not count as a stitch. Then, chain 1. Cut yarn. Tighten the yarn end. Round 2. Change yarn color. Rejoin new yarn at the first stitch. Pull white yarn through. The starting yarn tail has been woven in while crocheting, can be cut directly. Then bring both yarn tails up. First, crochet 2 chain as starting stitches. Next, crochet popcorn stitch. In the same stitch, crochet 1 double crochet. Place these 2 strands on top of the hook. Weave in ends while crocheting. Then, in the same stitch, crochet 4 more double crochet. Including the first double crochet, total 5 double crochet. All worked into the same stitch. After 5 stitches, enlarge the loop. Insert hook into the first double crochet stitch. Place the loop onto the hook. Tighten the loop. Pull the loop through the first stitch. Tighten. 1 popcorn stitch completed. Place a stitch marker here. Then crochet 3 chain. Next, crochet a popcorn stitch in the second stitch. Shift slightly to the right. Don't skip any stitches. First, crochet 5 double crochet. Weave in ends while crocheting. After 5 stitches, enlarge the loop. Insert hook into the first double crochet stitch. Pull the loop through the first double crochet stitch. Tighten. Second popcorn stitch completed. Then crochet 3 chain. Repeat. 1 popcorn stitch. 3 chain. Total 5 sets. Complete on your own. After finishing, crochet 1 popcorn stitch in the next stitch. Then crochet 1 chain. Round 2 has 6 popcorn stitches in total. Next, crochet double crochet increase in the next stitch. 1. Then crochet another 1. Double crochet increase completed. Crochet double crochet increase in the remaining 7 stitches. After finishing, join with slip stitch at the first popcorn stitch. Round 3. Work into the 3 chain spaces from the previous round. First, work 1 slip stitch into the chain space to transition. Does not count as a stitch. Then, starting chain 2. In the same space, crochet 1 popcorn stitch. First crochet 5 double crochet. Enlarge the loop. Pull loop through the first double crochet stitch. Tighten. Then crochet 3 chain. In the same space, crochet another popcorn stitch. then crochet 3 chain. This completes one pattern set. Next, repeat 3 more sets. In each chain space, crochet 2 popcorn stitches plus 3 chain. After finishing, crochet 1 popcorn stitch, 3 chain, popcorn stitch, then crochet 1 chain. This round has 10 popcorn stitches and 9 spaces in total. Next, crochet single crochet into the double crochet stitches. Insert hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through both loops. 1 single crochet completed. Crochet single crochet into the next 7 stitches. After finishing, crochet 4 chain as a button loop. Length can be adjusted. Then crochet single crochet into the next 8 stitches. After finishing, join with slip stitch at the first popcorn stitch. Round 4. Starting chain 1. Then crochet 8 double crochet into the chain space. 8 double crochet form a fan shape. Work slip stitch into the next chain space. This is 1 set. Repeat 3 more sets. Crochet 8 double crochet into 1 space. Slip stitch into the next space. After 4 sets are done, crochet 8 double crochet into the last chain space. After finishing, join with slip stitch into the stitch next to the popcorn stitch. Then chain 1. Cut yarn. Use a tapestry needle to weave in ends. Pass through some stitches on the backside. Trim yarn end. This open side is the back piece. Then crochet the front piece using the same method. No need to leave an opening on the front piece. Cut yarn for back piece. Do not cut yarn for front piece. Align and sew the 2 pieces together. Find the back piece. Insert hook into the first double crochet stitch of the fan pattern. Pull the front piece loop through. Tighten. Next, join both pieces with slip stitch seam. Align stitches on both sides, picking up only 1 loop from each. Insert into the back loop of the next stitch. Place this yarn tail on top of the hook, corresponding to the front loop of the next stitch. Crochet slip stitch. Continue inserting into adjacent loops of the next stitches. Crochet slip stitch. Repeat seam until the other side of the fan pattern. Complete on your own. After finishing, chain 1, cut yarn. Use tapestry needle to weave in ends. Next, switch to red yarn for the hat. Work on the front side without the opening. This is the first stitch. Count 3 single crochet to the left. Rejoin yarn. Pull yarn through. First crochet 2 chain. Then crochet double crochet into the next stitch. Place the strand on top of the hook. Weave in ends while crocheting. Crochet 6 double crochet in total. After finishing, crochet half double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over. Insert hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. 1 half double crochet completed. Then crochet 2 more half double crochet. After 3 stitches, crochet 3 single crochet. Crochet slip stitch into the next stitch. This slip stitch counts as a stitch. Do not tighten too much. Round 2. Starting chain 1. Turn work. First crochet 4 single crochet. First stitch is the previous slip stitch. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next, half double crochet increase. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet increase. Next stitch, double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet increase. Next stitch, double crochet. Last 2 stitches, double crochet decrease. First crochet an unfinished double crochet, i.e., do not complete the last step. In the next stitch, crochet another unfinished double crochet. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. 2 unfinished double crochet completed. There are 3 loops on the hook now. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Round 3. Starting chain 1. Turn work, crochet single crochet in each stitch. 15 stitches in total. After finishing, do not cut yarn, crochet 6 chain. Then crochet single crochet into the back bump of the second chain from hook. Turn work, pick up 1 strand here to crochet single crochet. Crochet half double crochet into the next 4 chain back bumps. After finishing, work 1 slip stitch into the last slip stitch of the first row. Crochet 1 slip stitch here. Chain 1, cut yarn. Use tapestry needle to weave in ends. Attach palm and eyes. Then sew button onto the front piece corresponding to the opening. First sew onto the white strand. Sew only through the surface. Do not sew through to the front. Pull through buttonhole. Then pass through the other buttonhole. Then pull through the adjacent white strand. Repeat sewing a few times like this. Just secure it in place. Tie the 2 yarn ends together to secure. Then use tapestry needle to weave in ends. Insert earphones. Fasten button. Completed.